Thembazwane Umshishi. And yeah, man, I feel like it is just difficult for Umshishi at this point. Like, I feel like it is difficult. I feel like people will be speaking about, leave the football before it leaves you, whatsoever. But I just hope as a country we just support him, we'll be there for him, we'll motivate. Don't be speaking about negative things on the internet about, leave football before it leaves you and stuff. And I hopefully like he'll recover because as much as always we have quality South Africa who can do something World Cup about, but he's somebody who Mzansi was built around him. Ngisengikhuluma like nge-squad about so this issue vele injuries and stuff. I feel like it is actually killing him because by I'm substituted in after injury and then waphinde waphuma again due to injury. So I hope the guy recovers and it is not a thing which they shouldn't blame wara because they are supposed because like as adlale next day World Cup he's supposed to get a game time, he's supposed to be like the match fitness about and he's an important player because most people in the squad with 6,000 right now there's none like our second like come players which like look dangerous. I mean, especially on that number 10 position. Always, I'm one of the people that has been favoring Mbappe. I talking about the boy has to be given a chance. Even on the game, they drew against the Pirates and lost. They won my penalties, the first leg, the second leg, yeah, I'm saying it. I was speaking about they should actually like give Yabon Mbappe an opportunity to actually like start at least number 10 available. But yeah, man, let me see. It's like I'm recording stress. So yeah, man, I just hope it's like I recover. Still need Umshi. She's just like I think he's a face of like South African football, according to me. She's just a face of the boy has been playing, not even a boy, like the uncle has been playing for the longest time. And I hope we retire in a great way. Retire because of my injuries and stuff. And yeah, I hope we are praying for him. Will be on my prayers.